The huge Indian community here, all are Indian students studying MBBS in Timor-Leste, East Timor-da. MBBS tambalak wa handa kya MBBS hai tare. Moi pun sang utra nga mulai.
Yeah, good afternoon everybody. So I request all the students to settle down. Settle down. Yeah, good afternoon everybody. So as I told you all, today we have gathered for this short meeting to welcome a significant guest. More or less there.
Here, सभी को खुरुमजरी नमस्ते. आप सब कैसे हो? अच्छे? Yeah. So my name is Lissi Priya Kambujam. I am 13 years old, Indian climate activist and the founder of the Child Movement. Yes, I am 13. I'm studying in grade 7 in Prometheus School in Noida. Well, you see, I'm also the special envoy for the President of Timor-Leste, President Horta, for climate change. And I'm happy to share with you all that I'm the youngest diplomat in the history of the world to be officially working in a government. Well, it's my honor to be here. मैं बस आज यहाँ पे बस एक छोटा सा शॉर्ट विजिट के लिए आई थी जो डॉक्टर राजा कर रहे थे. You know all the work he's been doing in Timor-Leste for the students of India, isn't it? तो मैं बस देखना चाहती थी जो भी वो कर रहे थे. You know, क्योंकि I've also been here in Timor-Leste for 1 week and I'll be leaving on the 21st. This is my 3rd time visiting Timor-Leste and it's also my honor to be here today. I didn't expect कि हम ऐसे ग्रुप गैदर करेंगे स्टूडेंट्स जो यहाँ पे रह रहे हैं Timor-Leste में, इंडियन स्टूडेंट्स जो यहाँ पे स्टडी कर रहे हैं. I didn't expect कि हम ऐसे in an event type मैं ऐसे आज बोलूँगी. So basically, as I'm also a climate activist, let me talk about climate change. It would submerge inside the sea. Have you ever imagined? So just imagine Timor-Leste submerging inside the sea. क्या होगा Timor-Leste का future? क्या होगा आप लोगों का future? Did you imagine? Yes? Your life would be underwater and we can't practically live in water, right? Yeah. So if Timor-Leste is submerged inside the sea, underwater, we can't live, we would all die. That's basic knowledge, common fact. And see, agar aap abhi has rahe hoge, you might think it's funny, but it is actually serious. Because in the future, sahi mein, small island nations like Maldives, Timor-Leste might submerge inside the sea. And this is what real climate change looks like in the reality. Global climate crisis, global warming, for sea level rise हो रहा है, हमारे glacier का melting in the Arctic and Antarctica. So what I want to say is that climate change problem is not only for me or for you or for someone else. Climate change problem is for every single person living in this world. Each and every child living in this country, living in this world are already the victims of today's global climate crisis. and sacrificing the lives of those millions of innocent children for the failures of our leaders is unacceptable at any cost. Because you see, today's global climate crisis is caused by the rich nations. It's caused by the rich developed nations, and we are just the victims of it. So rich nations, rich developed nations must pay for the loss and damage the climate finance now to deliver us the climate justice. We, the global South nation, deserve climate justice now. And without the climate finance, there will be absolutely no climate justice. So global South deserves climate justice now. And one thing that I would like to say is that, you see, if there is no nature, then there will be no food. Isn't that right? If there is no nature, then there will be no security. If there is no nature, then there will be no food for us. If there is no nature, then there will be no future for us. So can you imagine your future without having the nature, without having our mother nature? No. Trees. Trees are the ultimate solution for fighting climate change. अगर trees नहीं होंगे तो हम can we survive? Without trees, can we survive? Trees give us oxygen to breathe. Because of oxygen we are living today. है ना? हम जिंदा हैं. That's why we should plant more and more trees, so that we could save our planet and our future. जो climate change है, just like I said before, trees are the ultimate solution to fighting climate change. So आप सब लोग यहाँ पे जो पढ़ रहे हो, you can do massive tree plantation drives. आप सब पेड़ उगा सकते हो, है ना? Yeah, you can start initiatives, isn't it, for climate change awareness drives. Because I think बहुत सारे and जैसे मैंने बोला कि ever since I started my journey, बहुत सारे लोग ने मुझे बोला, you're too young to get involved in such activism. But I proved them that age doesn't matter to make a difference. I'm big or small, it doesn't matter. And I'm a girl child, I'm a youth who, I'm 13, right? A teenager, yeah. I'm a youth who strongly believes that, every child, every youth, every person can make a difference. So age limit nahi deta hai, jo bhi aap karna chahte ho. So just start taking the action now. Because the first step to saving our planet is to change our behavior. Remember, there is no value of our expensive art, luxurious car, a beautiful home, or a lot of money on a dead planet. Did you get that? Did you get the message? Should I repeat? Good. So that's my message to all of you. आप छोटे-छोटे steps ले सकते हो while even you're in Timor-Leste, East Timor, and you can start taking up small initiatives, small drives. You shouldn't wait for Dr. Raja or any of your teachers to start any initiative. You should start it by yourself, isn't it? Students should lead the way. क्योंकि adults से adult की बात छोड़ दो. So let's start bringing the change now. Okay? Yes? Should we start fighting climate change now? Sunayi de raha. Should we fight climate change now? That's the spirit.
Thank you so much for listening. So